Want to get a clean vehicle without damaging the finish? Amsoil Car Shampoo's pH-neutral formulation delivers powerful cleaning action without harming coatings and finishes. Before using Amsoil High Foam Car Shampoo, rinse the vehicle's surface. Add 2 ounces of Amsoil High Foam Car Shampoo to a bucket, foam cannon, or foam gun and apply product to the vehicle's surface. Its hybrid technology of surfactants, cleaning agents, and degreasers will provide optimal foaming action, lubricate surfaces, and lift and carry away contaminants. Next, scrub with a microfiber cleaning mitt. Rinse away any contaminants and dry with your preferred method. Enjoy your clean vehicle.
Amsoil products are distributed exclusively through independent dealers, people like you and me. ONESYNTHETICS special dealer links will transfer you to Amsoil.com, where you can order securely and we get the credit for our hard work. Join the millions of proud Amsoil users to experience the difference and get your Amsoil products today. To order, follow the link in the description, or go to ONESYNTHETICS.com and use the Amsoil Shop by Vehicle tool or follow the Shop Now link. Amsoil. Protection you demand, performance you deserve. ONESYNTHETICS.com